Oha. 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 Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan anak negeri Sarawak yang saya hormati sekalian. Boleh tahan hari ini? Mayuh kat balai kita? Bisi Iban? Bisi Cina? Bisi Laut? Bisi Bidayuh? Bisi Tambi? Macam-macam bangsa. Itulah negeri Sarawak. Kita macam-macam bangsa dan keturunan boleh duduk sama, makan sama, minum sama, cari amoy pun sama juga. Itulah kita orang Sarawak, hidup mesra satu sama lain. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, hari ini memanglah hari yang bersejarah. Hari ini dalam sejarah kita. Ingat, 24 hari bulan Mei 2015. Ingat hari ini, hari yang bertuah untuk kita semua. Menjelangnya pukul 12 hari ini, lebih kurang 1 jam lagi, bentangan the gates will be open. The barrier will be lifted. You can go as you please and don't pay anything. It will be zero toll from today. And not only that, I wish to thank Tan Sri Lim Cheong Ho and his family, his siblings, including Mr. Ling Cheong Ping, Mr. Lawrence Kong, and all his other brothers, and the Woodville Company for agreeing, because they think about the people of Sarawak. They love the people of Sarawak. When I talked to them, I said, for the sake of the people of Sarawak, can you please, I think you have recovered your investment already. Can you please, no more toll. Ling Cheong Ho is here. He agrees immediately because of his love for the people of Sarawak. Mana dia? Can you please stand up? Big hand. Itulah semangat dia. Dan kita masuk terima kasih kepada mereka. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, bukan itu saja. Apabila tol ini tertutup, employee staff quarters company ini akan dikosongkan. Tan Sri Ling Cheong Ho wants to donate the vacant quarters for his staff for the clinic Satu Malaysia. Very generous. I hope others will follow his example. Yang berhormat, Menteri-Menteri Persekutuan, Menteri-Menteri Sarawak, Tan Sri, Datuk-Datuk, puan-puan dan perempuan yang saya hormati sekalian, I want to make a few announcements. Baram Bridge or ASEAN Bridge from the 1st of next month, 1st June, in about a week's time, will also be toll-free for Malaysian registered cars. For Brunei registered car, they still pay lah. Orang Brunei memang kaya lah, tidak macam kita Sarawak ini. The ferry, the Marudi ferry and the Long Lama ferry will no longer charge high fees. You only pay $1 for one crossing for these two ferries. So that all the ferries in Sarawak, you only pay $1 per crossing. That I promised you before, that I will fulfill now. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, I read to you a letter. Saya ingin baca surat dari Tan Sri Ling Chung Ho kepada saya. I will read the letter to you. The letter says, our company, Woodville Development Sdn Bhd, holds the concession to collect toll from users of Batang Rajang Bridge and access road at Upper Lanang, pursuant to an agreement between us and the government. Following discussions with the YAB, the Chief Minister, following discussion between YAB, the Chief Minister, and me, Tan Sri Ling Chung Ho, we hereby declare that the opposite Batang Rajang Bridge that will be toll-free as per effect from today. We unconditionally and irrevocably waive our right to collect toll as our contribution to nation building and for the benefit of the Rakyat, and to show our full support to YAB, the Chief Minister, and concern for the people of Sarawak. So that is the reason they will abolish the toll. Nothing to do with DAP. There is no mention in this letter of DAP. And when I negotiated this deal, the DAP was not there. Let this be understood. Kita tidak mahu, kata orang Melayu, kebo memberi susu, sapi dapat nama. Sapi musnah kebun, kerbau kena ikat. Kita tidak mahu. Give credit to where it is due. Berkenaan dengan Jambatan Igan, kita terima kasih kepada Mendiang Lau Hui Kang kerana tidak mengadakan tol untuk bridge, untuk jambatan itu. Mereka boleh mengadakan tol, tapi mereka tidak mahu. Dan sekarang ada surat daripada anak dia, Henry, bahawa mereka tidak akan mengenakan tol kepada Ikan Bridge. It will also be free for the future. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, hari ini is a day for celebration for us. Dalam setahun lebih saya menjadi Ketua Menteri. Satu, kita telah menurunkan kadar elektrik untuk seluruh negeri Sarawak. Kita telah berunding dengan Petronas supaya orang Sarawak diutamakan dalam usaha gas dan minyak Petronas. Kita tidak mahu orang Sarawak hanya tengok saja jika orang mengambil minyak dan gas mereka. The gas and the oil belongs to us in Sarawak. It is our oil. We don't want just to be a spectator. We want to be participant in the oil industry. Petronas setuju, yaitu menyimpankan sebanyak 2,1 bilion kontrak untuk syarikat-syarikat Sarawak. Dan menambahkan lagi syarikat-syarikat Sarawak akan membenakan macam-macam technical school, macam-macam lagi yang diberi mereka. Saya mengaku saya belum berjaya meningkatkan royalti kita daripada 5% ke 20%. Belum berjaya lagi. Tapi leave it to me. As long as I am Chief Minister, your Chief Minister, I will fight for you. Kata orang Melayu, Nyo Gadin puncak emah ligai, sayang ketupat berisi inti, hancur daging tulang bercerai, belum dapat, belum berhenti. Kita telah melawankan orang curi balak di negeri Sarawak. Banyak mereka sudah ditangkap. Banyak kayu dapat diselamatkan. Kita telah mula dan banyak mereka sekarang tidak berani lagi mencurikan kayu. Ini permulaan. Give me more time. I will settle most of your problem. In the 1 year that I have been your Chief Minister, I have achieved all this. We have achieved all this. What more to say? If you give me 5 more years, there will be more problems I can solve for you. That is all I want. You can try me if you want to, whether I walk the talk or not. So, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, if you want many of your problems solved, then give me more time. I can settle some of them for you. I know, kita tahu GST. Oleh kerana GST ada barang-barang naik harga. That is beyond my control. That is federal government, not the state government. We will try to lessen your burden by reducing toll or abolishing toll, reducing electricity and other things. There will be no tax payable, GST payable on municipal services, on government services. We will pay it on your behalf. We will pay it on your behalf. So these are the things, inilah barang-barang kita yang boleh kita buat sama-sama untuk negeri Sarawak. So ladies and gentlemen, terima kasih kita rami-rami datang hari itu. Macam-macam bala akan datang itu. Bisi laut, bisi Iban, bisi Cina, bisi orang lain. Keep it up. Jangan ikut macam orang Melayu nun. Nisi berhenti-berhenti kelahi saja. Don't follow their example. We are Sarawakian. We live in peace with one another. They can learn from us, not just us learning from them. They can also learn from us. Kalau Perdana Menteri anjurkan satu Malaysia, kita Sarawak sudah memang satu Malaysia dari Malaysia mari. They don't have to tell us what to do now. So jadi we are waiting until 12 o'clock. Betul-betul steady motor dan traffic jam dah. Saya dah bayar tol ke apa ke motor tu, dah aku tahu juga. So terima kasih kita kami datang. Please help me to serve Sarawak together. Don't work for me, work with me for the sake of Sarawak. Sekian, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Hoha. Oh yes, satu lagi lupa. Banyak lagi mau kasih. Oh ini Ali, jangan susah. Oh, tunggu sekejap. Okey, saya luluskan 1 juta untuk naik taraf dataran Tun Datuk Petinggi Tuanku Haji Bujang Sibu. Saya luluskan 1 juta penyelenggaraan dan naik taraf Taman Selera Harmoni di Sibu. Peparitan acap air Kampung Tekuk. Kita nak mula parit baru 700,000. Peparitan Kampung Jeriah 920,000. Kampung Sentosa 520,000. Jalan Tun Ahmad Zaidi. Jalan Tun Ahmad Zaidi Adrus from Lada roundabout to Jalan Teng Kung Suk 2.7 million. Jalan Tun Ahmad Zaidi Adrus from Lorong Tun Ahmad Zaidi 32 to Lada roundabout 3 million. Total 5.7. I will give this money to Sibu Municipal Council. They will implement the project, but they must start this year. Jangan tunggu lagi. Tiong Tai King ada sini. He listen to what I say. Start now. Start now. Don't wait. The money will be made available to you quickly. So for the time being, itulah dia, banyak sudah. The longer I speak, the more money I lose, so I better stop now. Sekian, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Hoha.
Baiklah, hadirin sekalian, sama-sama kita saksikan flag off pemansuhan Tol Lanang Sibu Sarawak. 1, 2, 3 dengan iringan percikan loceng dan mengaping menandakan